Let's draw a car. A long box for the car. Your turn. A roof on top. One window. Two windows. A big round wheel. Another wheel. Roll. A bright headlight. Great job!